Salute the rappers that came before me, but I'm here now, nigga. I'm here now, nigga. Look, I ain't tryna say bow down, but bow down, nigga. Bow down, nigga. Salute the rappers that came before me, but I'm here now, nigga. I'm here now, nigga. And I ain't tryna say bow down, but bow down, nigga. Bow down. Yo, respect the queen when you see one. You blinded when you see me, light bright like a beachfront. Nothing you can do can overshadow what I be on. Your time, nigga, been done. My time just begun. I'm a finesser of words and similes, metaphors, double-edged swords and melodies, different patterns, boom baps and rhyme schemes like holla holla. Fuck what you heard, I flip bars like birds. Chirp chirp, got it from the dirt. 9 to 5, work. All around the clock, I rock a fella like the old Kirk. Slide up on my old flirt, my eyes see fire. I'ma show you how this stove work. Go perp, Drake on me. Boy, I got that Drake on me. Keep him stashed uptown, same place where Drake home be. I'm the big homie to your big homies, and everyone who ever came before me, y'all niggas owe me.